How to put two Bitmojis together in Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will have to make sure that you have a Bitmoji created in your Snapchat account. To do so, tap on your profile icon, and then if you see this Bitmoji here, then that means you have a Bitmoji or your avatar saved. Now, in order to combine two Bitmojis together, what you will have to do is simply tap on the profile of the person that you want to see two Bitmojis together with them, and then here you go. This I have used my AI, and then this is my Bitmoji. Both of these are together. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll get you in the next one.